Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tasha and I just got back from Sephora! If you guys keep up with makeup, I'm sure you know that it is Fenty Beauty's 1-year anniversary and they came out with 2 new products for us. They just came out with the Diamond Bomb, which is a new product. It's kind of like a compact 3D sparkle body shimmer, and this is in the color How Many Carats? I say color, but it's a colorless base with a silvery shimmer to it. And they also came out with a second shade of their Gloss Bomb in the color Diamond Milk, which is a clear gloss with the same kind of silvery shimmer to it. I'm wearing it right now. I wanted to see how it would look on my chocolatey skin tone, and I tried it 3 different ways as per Fenty Beauty. They said you can use it 3 ways, so I tried it all ways throughout this video, and I wanted to give you guys a comprehensive kind of look at the new product. So let's hop right into the video. I really like the compact that this comes in too. It's nice and shimmery, kind of gives you a taste of what's inside the product, and it also comes with a mirror, which is really nice as well. And the packaging on this product, it is so pretty, but just be aware that this glitter gets everywhere. It's all in my bag, it's all over the floor. Just be prepared for that. Okay, so I'm starting off with a bare face because Fenty Beauty said that you can use their Diamond Bomb 3 different ways. So the first way was underneath your makeup to give you kind of that subtle shine, subtle kind of like a lit from within pop of sparkle. So that's the first way I'm going to do it for you right now. First, I'm going to use the Fenty Pro Filter Primer, and this is not to be like all Fenty this, all Fenty that kind of video, but that's what I use, so that's what I'm using. Just gonna dot this all over my face, and I'm sure you guys can tell by this video, but I'm no beauty guru, so this is just gonna be how I do things, and hopefully it all comes out for the best. And Rihanna's makeup artist Priscilla, who's also the Fenty Beauty global makeup artist, used the Pro Highlighting Cheek Hugging Brush for the How Many Carats, so that's what I'm gonna use. I didn't have it before, but I bought it today when I picked this up at Sephora. I'm kind of applying it to the brush a little bit heavy because when I was playing with this in the store, I noticed that you can either do it really sheer or you can kind of build it up. So we're just gonna go for it and see what happens. And also because it's gonna be underneath my foundation, I feel like I should apply a little bit more. My goodness, can you guys see that? That is icy. Woo! Ooh, baby. This really is a diamond bomb. How many carats do I have on my face? I don't know. And you know, while we're at it, we might as well do the Rihanna highlighting technique that Priscilla shows online. So that's basically to go under the brow bone, swoop up to the temple, and then back down to the cheekbone. So let's try that out. Under the brow bone, up to the temple, and swoop it back. So to me, this looks like a lot, but again, it's gonna be underneath my foundation, so we're kind of gonna see how this works out for me. And this is so smooth, guys. There's absolutely no grit at all, like Fenty says, so that's nice. The shimmer is just super, super fine. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I kind of feel like Xenon, girl of the 21st century right now. If you guys have seen that, let me know. Now that we are blinging on the face, I'm gonna go in with my foundation now, and the foundation I use is also the Rihanna Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. The shade I use is 430, and I usually use a foundation brush to put my makeup on, but I kind of think that if I go in and buff it in with a brush, it's just gonna move around all the product that I just put on my face. So today I'm gonna use my Real Techniques sponge to kind of pat it on and see how that goes. Okay, I'm also kind of thinking that the sponge is going to pick up a little bit of the shimmer, so I kind of want to do those areas last. I know a lot of people on social media with darker skin were kind of scared of the Diamond Bomb because it is a silvery whitish glitter, or shimmer, I shouldn't say glitter. But I think because there's no base on it, it's not gonna give you that white cast and that ashy look, because I know none of us wanna go out there looking like freaking Ashy Larry, am I right? So I think that it's great that they had no base color to it because it makes it more universal. And also, I know that I do as well go for a more gold or bronze kind of highlight situation, but I know that lighter kind of white icy highlights do work on dark skin too, because if you watch Nima Tang, she is a beautiful, beautiful woman. She has this gorgeous deep, rich, chocolatey skin, and she loves silvery, kind of frosty highlights, and they look so freaking good on her. So I know it can work on people. Let's see. Oh yeah, I can still see it with the foundation over it, and it does give you a nice kind of a sheen look, which I personally like, instead of just kind of like a bam in your face kind of highlight, just a nice little sheen. Okay, so here is the Diamond Bomb, the first way that you can use it underneath your makeup. I like it really, I like this way a lot. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll come back to you guys for the second way. Just like magic, this is pretty much all I do on a regular day. So now I'm gonna go back in with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb and How Many Carats for the second way above your makeup, which is I think more of like the traditional way that people would use a product like this to highlight their face. I do really like the way it came out underneath my makeup, so we'll see. We'll see how more poppin' we can get here with it on top of the makeup, which will probably look even more in your face because I already have some on, obviously. And let's do it. Woo! Woo, child. So you can totally build this up a lot more, but I'm not going to do that because I feel like I will look cray-cray. Oh no, I just realized something. I guess this doesn't matter because you're going to be using this on you and probably only yourself, but once you put it on top of your makeup, especially if you're using the Fenty foundation, a little bit does transfer off on the brush, and when you dip it back into the Diamond Bomb, I do notice a little bit of brown in my Diamond Bomb now, but if you are picky like that, just know that your foundation color will transfer into the Diamond Bomb. And did I tell you guys, this feels to the touch like it's not a jelly, it's kind of like a wet, moist powder, if you will. So it feels really cool. I like the way it feels. Oh yeah, we are blinging. Okay, so that is that. That is the Diamond Bomb on top of the makeup, already with Diamond Bomb underneath my makeup. And the last way I'm going to use this is on my body because this is an all over body shimmer. They were calling this the winter body lava. I know a lot of people want body lava to come back because a lot of people didn't get it, but I was able to snag myself a bottle. I have it in brown sugar, but I did test the Who Needs Clothes in store, and this, it's not the same as Who Needs Clothes. Let's just get that straight. I'll put a little on my shoulder. Give you that shoulder action. Oh yeah. Woo. Mama likes, mama likes. Look how my shoulder's like instantly popping now. I think I like this on the body better than I like it on my face. Ugh, it looks like a nice sheen. Like you're a supermodel, working that glow. That's what I want. And as I said, you can build this up to as much as you want. Ooh, it distributes so well. So you don't need that much to get a nice little all over kind of shimmer. And then of course you can go ham with it like I am on my shoulders because it just looks so good. You know what? This looks really good on chocolate skin, in my opinion. You might not think so, but I think so. So if you are afraid to use this because you have darker skin, go ahead and give it a shot. And if you don't like it, you can always return it or just go into Sephora and swatch it and play with it. Now that I'm done playing with the Diamond Bomb, I'm gonna go in with their new shade of the Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. A lot of people were like, why would I want a clear gloss? I can get that anywhere at the drugstore. But first of all, me personally, I really like the Fenty Gloss Bomb formula. I think it's so good. And I have chronic chapped lips. You can look at me funny and my lips peel. So I really like the way that the Gloss Bomb feels. It's super moisturizing and oh! Guys! This makes your lips look so juicy, so inviting. People wanna eat you like a snack, I swear to God. It just, when I went to the bathroom right now and saw how much of this Diamond Bomb I put on my chest, oh my God, the studio lights totally deceived me. I am just a freaking disco ball. It's like ladies' night, I don't know. This definitely is like the winter body lava. So if you didn't like the formula of the body lava, the liquid formula, or if you didn't get it, give this a shot. I really liked these products, guys. I really loved the diamond balm. I wasn't quite sure how it would look on my skin tone being a chocolatey complexion, but I think it turned out really well. I especially love it on my body. I think I'll use it on my body more than anything. And I also like it underneath the makeup better than just on top of my makeup. But it gives you that nice subtle glow underneath it, and I like that more than having it just kind of bam in your face on top of your makeup. But to each their own, just try it out and see how you guys like it. And of course I also like the Diamond Milk lip gloss because it just makes your lips look so juicy, and I'm all about that juice look. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys got the new Fenty 1-year anniversary diamond products. So I'm gonna go shimmy and shake my shoulders all over town, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye guys.